Hi, welcome to the Commercial Gas Engineer channel. I'm going to do a 4-minute video of this plant room. Yes, so we've got a few expansion vessels here, 450 litre it says. There's 1, 2, 3 of them. And what else do we have? We have a Flamco. It's a Flamco 225D flexi filler. We've got a microfill 500 litre expansion vessel here. Then we've got an interesting, what's this? This is a air supply to the plant room. Interesting mechanical air supply. Have you seen one like that before? I haven't. I'm going to get a closer look. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Sorry, apologies there. And then what do we have here? We have a pump with the inverter sitting on the top. Variable speed controller. Squeeze through that gap, a bit of a tight gap over there. First aid kit on the floor, another one down there. Plant room should have first aid kits, burn kits as well. They need to get more into practice because people get a lot of burns in plant rooms. Okay, we've got a plate to plate heat exchanger here, and then the boilers are here. And what are they? They are Wessex MK Freeze WM254. I don't know who comes up with numbers for, or should I say names for boilers, because they just go on and on and on. All right, and then we've got pumps here, some big boy Grumfus pumps here. Huge, expensive. Let's go and see what make it is. Whoa, what have we got here? It's a Grumfus made in Hungary. Okay. Grumfus, what make is this? You probably know straight away. MGE. Oh, here we go again with these names. MGE132. I don't know what that's all about, but they could come up with a better name for a pump. What else do we have around here? These look like calorifiers to me. Nice big calorifiers and big PRV on there. What kind of pipe? Not very good at identifying pipe. Do you want to try and identify some pipe with me? Oh, here's a Grumfus. This pump here, I believe it is the wrong way. This should be on this side, running down here. Pump should be turned down, so the pump is facing the wrong way. Is it the end of the world? What's the worst that can happen? I don't know. We've got a solenoid here. It's a electro gas, and they're always hot, aren't they? Okay, what else do we have inside here? Nice big BMS panel. What is this here? Fire safety, I guess. Something to do with the fire safety. It's all red. Something to do with the fire safety panel, I'm presuming. BMS panel. And a microfill pressurization unit. An expansion vessel down here, 100 litre. Looks like it's connected to this side of the plate. What else do we have inside here? These are like the switches for the boiler, the isolators. This is behind the unit. What else do we have inside this plant room? I've got a minute left. What can I show you that you've not seen before? We've got about 30 seconds before I run out of film. And then these pumps here, what are they? They're on an inverter. And it's a Danfoss inverter. Differentials there, and the pump is a Siemens pump. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, bye bye bye.